Right, everybody, about to open Cannabox for October 2016. The theme is Twilight Zoned. Alright, not gonna watch that. It's back. Don't look at the back. Alright, it's the first thing that I've got here. Looks like some zombie Cheech and Chong stickers. Okay, might put those on my iPad. First thing, okay. Next thing that's up. That's some Ouija Mystical Mints. Those look cool.
Get rid of those.
Yeah, no, we're keeping those definitely.
Ouija.
Next. Alright, looks like some more candy. It's Halloween, so there's a lot of candy in here. Some Danger Zombies Run candy. Says it's wild and fruity. I'll be the judge of that. There you go. Okay. Next up in the box. Okay. Looks like some Urban Wraps. 33 filter printed rolling papers. Okay. Some wraps. Look smaller than usual. Okay. Urban Wraps. Not that bad. Next thing up. Oh, this looks fucking cool. Got some maple syrup roll-ups. Kingpin. This looks pretty cool. I think it's 4 wraps in there, they say.
Well, bigger wraps.
Okay, next up. T-shirt. The Twilight Zone t-shirt. This thing looks real cool, too. Got the clock and the door and the eye and the hands and
real
candles.
That's
cool. And for the last thing in the box, this is what I was waiting for. Let's see what this is. Oh. Okay. Ugh. I didn't even rip them off here. Okay. Oh. Looks like a scary eye pipe. Oh my gosh, that looks really cool. We was gonna see this when we hear from. Okay.
Eyeball glass pipe.
Eyeball glass pipe. Okay. All right.